Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another love bite for you. Let's see Libra what wants to show through for you today, and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, let's begin. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Libra, if any of you... Oh my God. Okay, so this confused me for a second. So let me finish what I was saying first. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, I welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Libra, I have the Sun card in reverse, center of my spread. No wonder I got a little baffled for a second. So, but it's ending with the Star card, which is a great thing. And the Magician, overall energy of this reading is somebody is trying to make their wishes come true. Maybe somebody was behaving like a player or was not interested in a commitment, just wanted to keep things light, come in and out of a connection. But justice was served. Whoever this person is, justice was served here. They got left out in the cold. They themselves got abandoned. Maybe that's what they did to their person. And now justice is that now they are feeling the same way. Somebody's regained their power, regained their strength. Maybe the other person did, even though they're not happy about it. Neither of you seem to be happy right now because there is a lot of bad karma, or not wanting to give a second chance here to make things right, almost kind of releasing this connection and saying, I don't believe in it anymore. 10 of Cups is in reverse, but the Star card is here. So that gives me a little bit of hope here, Libra, because the Magician is here and the Star card. So let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be now? Libra and their person, if they could say something to each other. Okay, let's take a few from here. Libra, if you're looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. Oh, too many, Spirit. Can't do so many. Let's put these back. So, Libra and their person. Libra and their person. Oops. Volatile energy. Okay. Libra and their person. All right. Good to go, Libra. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, when you ran, I felt like I'd lost my light and plunged into darkness. My heart and even my spirit shattered into pieces. I'm trying to heal, surrender, and trust in the divine plan, but I fear I'll never be the same again. When you told me you thought I was too good to be true, I was one of the few good and true people in your life. But maybe the other person took them for granted. I get so effing jealous knowing that you're in bed with a karmic at night. I feel sick to my stomach at the thought of you in bed with them. Yes, somebody could have been dealing with a player. We're getting older and wasting precious time playing these dumbass runner chaser games. Let's just level the F up already. Are we doing this or what? I always thought we would get married. It absolutely breaks my heart that you're with them. With just one text, one call, one look, one smile, you make my day. You're the most important person in my life, and it doesn't matter where I am. I'm always thinking of you day and night. I just want to hold you now. It's been too long since you held me close. I'm aching for you. I'm planning on a romantic trip for us to reconnect. I want to cherish you with loving adoration. Our relationship has suffered irreparable damage. I enjoy your company, but I don't want a commitment. Now that is the reason this connection has suffered irreparable damage, because somebody just wanted to play here, right? They didn't want commitment, they didn't want to do the right thing, and I think that person who got abandoned has regained their strength now. Alright, so Libra, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message, and the card that flew right out is emotions. Either somebody has to open up, maybe somebody's been hiding their emotions for too long, or maybe very deep, dark emotions are in play in this connection at the moment. There is a lot of sadness here with the Sun card in reverse, center of my spread. Alright, so let's see. Knight of Wands, Spirit. Knight of Wands. Clarification for the Knight of Wands. This person, my God. This person came across as a player. They probably tried to make that person compete for them, fight for their attention. This kind of competition, when they felt that, oh my God, so many people are fighting for me, or creating conflict and not sticking around with one person for too long so that the next person would fight for their attention or something like that. This made this person very happy at one point. They were very happy to have people fighting for their attention, but they didn't have to commit to anyone. They wanted to be seen as a playboy or a playgirl, or just kind of this is what this person thought was fun. Justice, Spirit, which is a Libra card. What is this justice? What happened here then? Justice. Justice. Yes, this person was trying to be an illusionist. I have the Magician here twice. This came up again. So I think somebody, I think this is the other person now who's got this Magician card. I think somebody realized that they had the power and all the tools that they needed to make their life beautiful, and they cut this player off. They felt this is the way to bring justice back to my life, that I can manifest a brand new life for myself. What am I in conflict or competition with this person who's having fun on my behalf by putting me in competition or whatever? And I think the other person, became the Magician, stopped communicating with this player energy totally to bring back some justice and healing into their own life. Five of Pentacles, Spirit. Five of Pentacles. Yes, they brought this connection to a total ending. This full cycle has been dropped, shut down, absolutely closed by the other person who was also treated like one of the options. And I think this person has not only ended this chapter with them, but also left them out in the cold now. Strength card, Spirit. Too many cards. What's the Strength card? Strength card. Yeah, somebody feels here that they've regained their power and control now. I think they're fully concentrated on building themselves up and no longer staying in this kind of a place where there's always conflict, where somebody's always been in and out of their life, maybe comes in swift but leaves as fast. This is becoming too much of a burden for this person, where this person is saying, hey, this 10 is done, okay? 10 of Swords is done, 10 of Wands is done. I'm no longer interested in being in competition with anyone who's going to bring conflict to my life. I think somebody's found their strength and balance by concentrating, putting their head down and working on their own life after leaving somebody behind who didn't do right by them. But the Sun card is still in reverse, Spirit. Why is that? Why is the Sun card still in reverse? Oh, this is the other person. This is the other person who's very unhappy now. They're very, very unhappy that, the person who they were playing has now kind of shifted their focus onto themselves. No longer going back to have these fights, or make up to break up to make up, or whatever it's called, or make up sex, or whatever. This person was having fun doing that. They enjoyed the conflict because it kind of made them happy. But now this Nine of Cups is in reverse. Somebody feels, oh my God, the sunshine of my life is gone here, because they see maybe their person winning now. With this magician energy, somebody has turned their life around, taken back control of their life, taken back power, and is now winning, which is not making the other person feel happy at all. They feel this is bad luck, bad karma, judgment in reverse. Judgment in reverse. Yes, now this person is thinking, oh my God, what did I do? I'm never going to get a second chance again with this person, because they are winning, and I haven't invested, I haven't put in any work. With what face do I go and tell them anything? Because there was no investment put from my end which was stable and solid. I was always in and out and bringing competition in this connection. So somebody is feeling that they may not be given a second chance now. Am I right, Spirit? Judgment in reverse. One more. Yeah, because now there is no... Yes. Because the other person who is now winning, Libra, has become the Empress. This person is sitting in their seat of power after kind of ending the chapter with this player becoming the magician of their own life, concentrating on their work. They're sitting on their throne here and no longer interested in even messaging this past person or interacting with them or anything. This is like Page of Wands is a bringer of good news or interaction or messages or text messages, but this Empress, no, not at all. This Empress is saying, I am the Empress, I don't chase. So this Empress has stopped chasing and they've started getting victorious, and the other person is now feeling very, very afraid because they haven't put in the work. With what? How do they expect anything to happen here? Four of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Four of Pentacles in reverse. I think this is the Empress who's released this connection totally. Oh, my God, what a beautiful connection. It was the Two of Cups. Yes, it was a Two of Cups which went nowhere. A Two of Cups, a soulmate connection, felt by, I think, both of you, but this new beginning, new start was never given. And because it was not given, I think either this Empress is now releasing this connection altogether, or this player, the Knight of Wands, is feeling that they've been released. Ten of Cups in reverse. Now this was supposed to be the happily ever after, Libra. Yes, because there is still so much love here. This is a big, big, big cup of love gone wrong. Ten of Cups in reverse. Somebody's lost their, the chance of having a happily ever after with a soulmate, made for each other couple, I would say. One more, Ten of Cups. Who's feeling like that, Spirit? I think both of you are holding back. Both of you are holding back. I think this is the person, this is this Empress who's decided, I'm not going to be stressed about this connection anymore. I'm not going to wait around and be stressed and be alone in this connection while my person goes, having, talking to so and so and so and so, and always making me compete for their attention. And I'm always left wondering, are they going to come back? Are we going to have our Ten of Cups together? I feel such a strong connection. I love this person, but I can't be in this self-imposed prison for the rest of my life. This person has really regained their strength and power. Second time this card has come up, the Strength card. Somebody's become really strong and they've decided, hey, I'm going to close this old chapter and I'm going to start a brand new one. This Empress has jumped off the cliff already to have this brand new beginning because of their own self-respect, I would say. So Star, Spirit, what's the Star? Star. What's the Star card? Oh, one more. One more. I think now this is the other person. This is the other person who feels there's no communication now. Somebody is seeing this Empress as a star now. They're seeing them maybe on social media, being very famous or doing very well. Now this person is feeling defeated. This is the same person who was trying to play mind games and say, hey, my way or the highway, I'll steal all the swords and I'll be the one who'll go ha ha ha. I mean, the two people with their head bent down and walking away, giving up. Right, this Empress could have been one of them at that point, but now somebody is feeling that all these mind games that I played, I became the loser in this connection. Now they are watching. They're watching from the sidelines. They're maybe checking up with friends, family, social media, trying to now manifest what they've lost. The Ten of Pentacles and the Temperance card. They want to bring back this connection once again. They know, deep in their heart, they know that they've lost their chance once. I think the Empress has already decided that this is a long gone, forgotten story. But this other person, the player or the Knight of... Let's see, let me take one more. Spirit, what's this Ten of Pentacles now? Ten of Pentacles? Ten of Pentacles? Oh, somebody's been very stressed out. They want to come out of this. Ever since I think they've lost their person, they've realized that the love was there. Oh. Yes. This person is now realizing that they've lost their counterpart, the person they were supposed to be forever and ever, because this Empress has stopped now investing. Maybe this Empress earlier was a very loving, kind, generous, always the first one to do everything for this person. And now ever since I think this Queen of Pentacles has taken back their power, taken back their control, stagnated this connection altogether, and looking very, very stress-free and very happy and no longer bothering about them. This other person, I think, has now woken up. They're going through their dark night of the soul here. They are wanting this back again. They want the Ten of Pentacles. This is that happily ever after. I want to marry you and die with you and have next lifetime with you and everything else. Because they've been quietly watching from the sidelines. They've been quietly watching and realizing they've missed their chance. So, Spirit, this Magician, do you want to say something to us? Overall energy was a Magician, right? So let's give him the mic. Okay, one more. So this Magician is saying, Libra, that this person is saying that I have been caught in my own lies. Yes, they feel their person has caught them lying. This is the Queen of Swords, who has their sword up, very intelligent person, takes no bullshit, and they have caught out this person who has been always hiding their emotions or emotionless or lying to them. So somebody has been caught by this Queen of Swords, and now they feel, even though I now know that this is, I did the wrong thing and I want to come back, they're fearing there'll be rejection. There'll be rejection there. They'll be rejected. They do want to come in with a love offer, but they are, I think, going through their own emotions right now and fearing rejection. So what are they doing? They are praying. They're praying and manifesting. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Next, on Tuesday, I'm going to do a few verses then, where I'm going to check into what is the most likely alignment between the two of you, what they are feeling, what you're feeling, and let's see, maybe some solution will... As of now, I see the Empress not making a move at all and really doing well for themselves. All right, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.